Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another nail haul for you all, and I'm so excited to be showing you these amazing finds that I found in today's video. So here we're starting off with these really beautiful gold embellishments that I purchased through Amazon. Lately Amazon has really been having really good deals, so I was happy to get my hands on them. So here I'm just going to be showing you each wheel of gold embellishments and what the incorporated include. Unfortunately, most of them, they were a little bit like this in the sense that they were everywhere and they had spilled and moved around, but that is okay. So here I'm just showing you the ones that I think are worthy of showing you. I didn't want the video to be so long and boring, and I didn't know if you guys wanted to see every single piece, so I just chose the ones that I didn't see, like that were rare to me, that I hadn't seen before, and maybe you guys hadn't either. So those are the ones that I took out and displayed for you guys. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It makes me so happy to film for you all. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed today's nail art haul. Let me know down below what was your favorite part of today's nail haul. What was your favorite item? What did you think? And so forth. So here I'm just showing you this particular box of gold embellishments. I absolutely loved because they're just so dainty and so beautiful, and just such a great addition to any like rhinestone placement, or just if you want to add it onto the look just by itself. I thought they were really beautiful. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll let you watch the video. This particular box of gold embellishments was super pretty to me. I keep saying box and it's a wheel, I'm sorry. But I absolutely loved, I thought it was so beautiful, like these flowers, how different they were, and how they could just be such a great asset, or actually make and create a whole look. So I'm definitely looking forward to what I can create with this particular one, because I just thought they were so cute. Next, we're moving on to these false nails, and I definitely wanted to get some more of these. I do have like some, I think maybe 2 to 3 other colors, I don't remember, but I do have some of these and they're great quality, they're very durable, and I absolutely love just having press-on nails that already have the color within them, so I don't have to paint them, and it just creates that perfect look. And I know how to just, and you just apply it to the nail, and if you want that plush look for it not to look, you know, like a press on, you just grab your e-file and you buff it out, or you just grab a buffer and buff that out and then apply your, well, usually I apply 2 layers of whatever top coat I'm going to be using. I add my bling and I add my, if I'm using decals or stickers, I go ahead and add that too, and it just makes my life so much easier when I want to do sets for me to wear. So I definitely love having the pre-made ones already. And by the way, guys, I will be having a big Shein haul coming up because I did order a huge Shein nail art haul. I did just purchase a bunch of things because it had been a while, so stay tuned for that. I'm so excited, I cannot wait. It should be here in about 2 weeks or so, so I'm definitely excited to show that on here because Shein definitely is the plug and they had amazing finds, so stay tuned for that. So next we're moving on to the following one that it included, and this was like a dark set, and I absolutely loved these browns. They're really pretty, and I really love these, so I can't wait to use them and see what I decide to add to them. You could literally add anything. It's just a blank canvas for you, but just with the color already in it. So yeah, I really like these, and I'm just gonna be showing me placing them on for you guys could see what they would look like on the nail bed. So next we're moving on to some stickers that I purchased through Aliexpress, and they're absolutely adorable. It's just it's a variety of different cartoon characters, and I'm just going to be starting off with Tweety, of course. So cute. I didn't have anything like this, so I definitely wanted to get my hands on that. And then next we're moving on to, of course, Snoopy, which I thought was super adorable as well. Super cute. I absolutely love nail art stickers or decals. I love both of them very much. And of course, my absolute favorite, SpongeBob. Here we have it with Patrick as well, and Squidward. It's like their faces, so that was pretty cool. And lastly, we're moving on to Tom and Jerry, which is of course one of my childhood favorite TV shows. So here we have some full coverage nails, and it brings 500 pieces, and they are a stiletto, and I literally purchased this for $1.99 on Amazon. I don't know if they're still on sale, but wow, I've never found a deal that great before, and I was just so happy and fortunate to get my hands on these. I only brought 1 pack. I'm not the biggest fan of stiletto, but you can always cut it and make it into coffin or ballerina. But I just thought this was the greatest find, and as you guys can see by the cuticle area, it's rounded, which is so great because mines are more on the round side. So I definitely love that they incorporated that. The quality was very durable. It was awesome. Literally, I had no complaints, and I'm just so happy to just be able to get my hands on the best deals, you know. So yeah, here I'm just showing you the nail. So I hope you guys are enjoying this nail haul so far. So next we're moving on to some glitter from Aliexpress, and it was so beautiful. It reminded me of like fairy dust. Really beautiful. I will be showing you guys later on some more glitters. I was really impressed with the glitters that I did choose this time around through Ali. So next we are moving on to some decals that I purchased through AliExpress as well, but these were a little bit different. They were the ones that were like a sheet of decals, and then you guide yourself with the plus signs that you guys will be seeing here, and then you cut along the way, which I will be showing you how I did it just to show you guys, just in case you wanted to see. So here I'm showing you, and honestly I wasn't the biggest fan of these decal sheets. They're kind of a pain because, as you guys saw, the clear film came off of the first one, and then I had to try to put it back on. It was just I just wouldn't repurchase it again, let's just say that. So next we are moving on to this theme of like sea critters and just like a sea theme, and then this random theme that I thought was really cute, just a bunch of different stuff. I love this type of graphic, that's what it is. I love this type of style, so I thought it was really cute. I really love it. So I'm just grabbing some scissors and then guiding myself with the plus signs, just creating a cut through those guides, you know, until you cut each individual decal out like a square shape, and that's literally all, and that's what you continue to do. Like I said, this is more work. I don't mind doing it. I wasn't really a fan of the fact that the way they were bended, it was hard to work with, and then I didn't like how the film came off of the other one. It was just unnecessary like things, but now I know, and now I know I won't be repurchasing the sheets unless I really like the design. So yeah guys, here I'm just gonna be showing you me cutting them, and yep. So now we're moving on to one of my favorite things ever in this nail haul, which is these thin wood decorative nail art accessories that you can encapsulate, and me personally, that's what I'm using them for encapsulation. And it does include 12 boxes in total, and they are all holiday themed, like for Christmas. They're Christmas holiday themed. And I did say in my previous nail hauls that I definitely wanted to step my game up and having more of the... I'm sorry, it's just that I got a message and it distracted me. I apologize for that. But yeah, I definitely wanted to get my holiday like nail art game up, because I didn't really have many things when it came to like different holidays, so I'm definitely trying to stack up on that. But these are really beautiful. I definitely recommend you guys get your hands on these, and it was so affordable. I got this through Amazon. I will have everything linked down below, just in case you're interested in purchasing anything you saw in today's nail art haul. They were great finds and very affordable. So yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying so far. I definitely love these little nail art decorations, just because even though they're really tiny, they were still very detailed and very beautiful. And I just can't wait till the holidays come around and I have all this variety to work with. So yeah, I'm really excited and looking forward to seeing what I come up with and create. So lastly, we have this bag of amazing, but I mean amazing, chunky mixed glitters, and I was so impressed. I purchased this through Aliexpress. Honestly, I think this set of glitters that I picked out were definitely one of the greatest, most beautiful glitters I've yet to get my hands on. Like, I was so impressed. So affordable, such great quantity, and so gorgeous. I will be showing you exactly what they look like outside of their containers. They are the bomb, literally. They are the bomb. After this video, I'm definitely gonna go, after I'm done editing, I'm definitely gonna go and purchase everything once again, because I have to have this stocked up. These are amazing and they're so beautiful, and I won't get them for this price anywhere, so I'm definitely gonna hit AliExpress and repurchase all of them, and the ones that I didn't get, because I don't think I purchased all of them. I don't remember, but they're just so beautiful. I absolutely love them. So gorgeous. Let me know what you guys thought about these. I thought they were stunning, and this one in particular was it for me. It was just it, like literally it. It was so stunning. It was just such a beautiful glitter mix. I was just in awe throughout this whole process, but especially when it came to this one in particular. Look how amazing and beautiful and just girly this is. It's just, I was lost for words. Like, I don't know, I love these glitters. Are just so beautiful. So yeah, well, this is the last part of the nail haul. I'm just gonna finish showing you guys the rest of the ones that I purchased, but thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching and supporting me. Thank you. It means the absolute world to me. Thank you for all the love that I receive through all my social medias, including my Etsy shop. Thank you to everyone who takes the time. It means so much. I literally appreciate you. Nothing never goes unnoticed. I always try to remind you guys how grateful I am for everything, because I truly am. Thank you so much. You guys keep me going and creating all this content for you guys with the positive feedback, with just the engagement overall. It means so much. Thank you guys once again. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to get notified every single time I upload. I love you guys. Till next time.